Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap Allow and click Home button. Choose iOS Launcher and decide if you want to apply just once or always. I will go with always, so now I have to click Got it. And as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!